Give me reason we should be coming. Can't you see? I don't wanna slow dance in the dark. Depression, hello. Camera, lights, and action. Hello. It's me. Disguised toast. Oh, God. Fix the hair. Didn't fix it, but good enough for now. Hi. Yes, first thing you may have noticed, we have the command exclamation mark guess that Asian, because we are doing another episode of Guess That Asian. So if you're Asian, not that I'm racist against non-Asian, but the game show. Well, I can't do other races because I'm Asian. If I do other races, that's racism. It's what I've learned when it comes to social justice. It's only okay if you're stereotyping your own race. So yeah, exclamation mark guess that Asian. If you're an Asian person and you want to submit a picture of yourself with your ethnicity, go ahead and use the hashtag guess that Asian, or you can submit it to my subreddit. And I'm gonna find 3 people to play this with. That's gonna be hard. Some people are afraid of getting canceled. So I'm gonna be looking for people. Toast, does Russia count as Asian? Ooh, that's a very geopolitical question. Let me hit the Googs for this one. Are Russians Asian? Wow, first result. It's a tricky question, with 77% of the country located in Asia, while the vast majority of the population lives in European portion. Russians themselves argue about where they belong. Some claim they have a very special identity, which is not European, not Asian, but rather a specific mix. All right. No. I don't know the answer. Yes. What's the correct answer? What about Turkey? Are Turks Asian? The genetical and historical evidence suggests that early Turkic people were of largely East Asian origin, but became diverse with West Eurasian physical appearances and genetic origins. Yeah, I'm gonna say no to that as well. I don't know, man. Chat, don't ask questions that's gonna get me in trouble. You guys aren't being very cool right now. So yeah, if you wanna be in the next Guess That Asian stream, submit it. I think I'll maybe do it within a week or something. So do half Asians count? Guys, look. If you're Asian and you want to submit, go ahead. That's all I ask. Let's not get in the weeds of the definition of Asian. I'm not the Asian police. I don't speak for Asians everywhere. Where'd you get your shirt? It was sent to me. It's I guess I'm giving a free advertisement, so the strategy worked, giving me a free shirt. Billionaire Boys Club. I couldn't find Millionaire Boys Club, so this will have to do. I bought a headset. I'm gonna try out a new headset today to play Among Us VR, which comes out in 2 weeks. It is creeping up on us, isn't it? It'll be really sad if Among Us VR is kind of boring. Majestic Girl, thanks for the sub. Diablos Go Distressed Ape. Jax Max Distressed Ape with the gift sub. Kadakian, thank you for the 9 months. Lacia, Junkite, Abs Kebabs, Joker.x. Thank you guys very much. Thank you for the sub. Kinji. Here it is. It's actually from my old boss, Mr. Zuckerberg, as he looks for ways to live in the virtual world and shit this mortal coil of his. Yes, it is the Meta Quest Pro, coming at a very hefty price of $1,500 USD. Meta Quest Pro. I swear to God, if Among Us VR is bad and I just spent 1.5K on this headset, I'm gonna be upset. You can live in the virtual world now, chat. Hang on, someone in chat type something. Dude, the Quest Pro isn't that much better for gaming than the Quest 2. Who are you? Who are you, sir? Do you have the Quest Pro? Are you a Quest VR gamer expert? What's your name? Lofty Guy 11, huh? What's your credential? What's your credential to be saying shit like that? Huh? Man, shut up. First time chatter, first thing he says is the Pro isn't better than the 2. What do you know? Alright. So this is the Meta Quest Pro. It is an upgrade, supposedly, to the existing Meta Quest 2. My hair is all over the place today. The Quest 2 is $400. This is $1,500. So I expect this to be 3 times better. Like, my VR porn videos better be so realistic that I will bust a nut before even touching myself. All right. Here we go. You need that VR flashlight. I actually researched that. They do have stuff like a VR flashlight. And you can sync it to a video. Because some VR porn videos, they have like a script you can integrate into your flashlight. And it pumps to the beat of the video. Fun fact. But that's way too much work. I never did something like that. Because, like, if it was easy to set up, sure, but it was way too much, so I just used my hands. Oh, you left it. Oh, wow. Sturdy. There it is. You got your two. Wow, these are heavy. You got your two controllers. They're smaller than I expected. Smaller than the Quest 2 remotes. It doesn't have that hoop thing. Does it come with batteries? I hope so. Wait, they got cameras on the remote controller? Are these cameras? These are cameras. Thank God I have a fancy DSLR that can focus in. But yeah, there's cameras on the remote controller. You guys don't think it's always active and looking at me, do you? Alright, two remotes. And the headset. I think that's it. Oh my. Look at this. This is one of those. It looks like those dystopian future universes where everyone is strapped to a VR headset. Or like a snowboard goggles. So from what I know, they put the battery in the back so that there's a good balance. Because most VR headsets are very front heavy. But this one is more of an even split. And there's a cushion on the back for your head. How do I put this on? To start, press power for 2 seconds. Press power for 2 seconds. Put on headset. No sunlight on lens. No liquid cleaners. There's this little knob you turn to loosen or tighten. Alright, goodbye chat. I'm going to the virtual world. Ow. It's very tight, but that it still leaves so much room at the side. Like, I can still see the real world. I don't want that. No, the real world sucks. Charging station where you can charge your controller and your headset. Ah, here we go. They give you two of these rubbery things. They're called light blockers. So that you can remove the gap on the side. Let's try that again. All right, I'm in. I don't see the light. I can still see something underneath, but not the side anymore. I'm going in, chat. Okay, it's turning on. I'm turning on my controllers. They're both vibrating to signal that it is on. You guys can't see what I see, so it just looks like I'm sitting in my room. I see the Meta logo. Okay, it's loading. My controllers are backwards. I'm in the forest. It's asking me to press continue. Now it's asking for the language, English. Please stay seated for setup. Connect to Wi-Fi. Where's my phone? I don't remember my Wi-Fi password. I wrote it on my phone. Okay, I need to go back out in the real world for a sec. Ah! Oh. How long was I gone? Okay, Wi-Fi password is... Okay, I'm going back in again. I'm typing in my password. A 7 B 7 A 7. Connecting, connected. Done. How do I show you guys what I'm seeing? Adjust the fit wheel. The headset should fit comfortably around your head. Yes, it does. Adjust the depth wheel. Turn the depth wheel if the lenses feel too close or too far from your face. I can't turn it. This one? It's not turnable, bro. Am I turning it? Nah, it's fine. Adjust the lens spacing. Adjust the lens until the text on screen is comfortable and clear to read. That looks pretty good to me. Read safety manual. Only use indoors, designed for ages 13 and up. Okay, very safety. Learn more about these exciting features while your headset prepares for a software update. Boost your productivity. Multitask like a pro and reach your goals. Collaborate anywhere. Showcase your personality and customize your avatar to look and move just like you. Hang out with friends. Play games and watch videos together. Use the mobile app to discover new apps and connect with people and share your VR experience. Update in progress. Download the Meta Quest app to continue setup. So I need to, okay. Put your device on the charging dock. So much. Oh, okay, I need to download the app. I'm charging it. We want to see what you see. I think I have to finish the setup first, and then I can cast it to my PC. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the future. Meta is on to something. And the early adopters are the ones who gets rewarded. Like, let's check the Meta stock. Wait, what happened? What happened here? It was valued at 130, and something happened between October 25th and October 27th that that's when they released their new headset that I just bought, right? No, they don't get it. These old boomers on Wall Street, they don't know about Among Us VR. It's coming out in 2 weeks. It's gonna save the VR world. Everyone's gonna have a VR headset to play Among Us VR.